It is always an adventure when I team up with one of my favorite pilots to fly with. We were just going to take a quick ride out to South Beach and back. Today, the weather was not 100% perfect, but it was good enough for us to go and have an adventure. There were rain showers scattered all over South Florida today, but the visibility was good and the ride was smooth. We had a blast dodging some of the rain and flying through some. Even though the sun wasn't out shining bright and it was raining everywhere, it was still beautiful to me. To me, the rain just enhanced it, made it extra special. Even though it wasn't a plan for her to fly the whole flight, she flew the whole flight. And like a good captain, I took over at the last minute to do the landing. When the conditions are right, I actually like flying in the rain. It's not something I recommend you do all the time, but when the conditions are right, it is possible to do it, and it's a lot of fun. It's a beautiful experience. It is always an awesome experience to fly with my friend Heather. She's a great pilot.